far I go. My car is stolen. No registration. Cops patrolling. And now they done stop me and I get locked up. They won't let me out. They won't